This is from Wyze, and this is a window camera. So there's some really cool things to love about it. You have your window camera that's gonna sit in your window. You can keep it charged with the USB cable that they provide with it, and it's a flat cable, so it's nice and tidy. And they even give you little adhesive hooks to kind of keep that cable that's running down from the window really tidy to the power station. So you have a speaker on the back, you have a micro SD card slot, you also have a spot for a 1/4 inch for like a tripod. And then you have even a cold shoe mount, which is great if you want to mount like a light to it or something like that. And it connects to the app so you can preview your shot through there. One of the things I love about it is there's Velcro on the front. And so you can stick this part to the window and then you can put this on perfectly so it can stick anywhere on the window. And then that way, yeah, you can just keep an eye. It's very non-assuming that there's a camera there as well. Kind of hides it a little bit. And yeah, it's just a great way to have this thing set up, connected to your network, and then you can look out that window anytime. Maybe if it's nighttime, you want to see if somebody's there, or if you're working at a shop and you just want to be able to see who's at the front or whatever. Great quality as well. I mean, just as far as security camera standards are. And yeah, you're looking at it right now. There's a lot you can do with the app. You can record directly to your phone. You can talk through it. So if somebody's there, you can, have like an intercom system with it, with your phone, and just works great. So I highly recommend it, and thanks for watching.